Good afternoon, Dr. Ryan. I am Marquis C. Reyes from BSCPE 41. In today's reflection video, we will unravel the transformative influence of new semiconductors on the technological landscape. We'll delve into the profound impact of these advanced materials on various fronts, addressing pivotal questions that shape the future of innovation. Our journey begins by examining how new semiconductors can reshape the development of more sophisticated computers. We'll dissect the inherent advantages and capabilities that these materials bring to the realm of computing, envisioning a future where computational prowess reaches unprecedented heights. Shifting our focus, we'll investigate the significant implications of these cutting-edge semiconductors on electric vehicles and automation. As the automotive industry undergoes a revolution, we'll explore how these materials play a crucial role in enhancing efficiency, battery performance, and overall advancement in EVs and automated systems. In the quest for understanding, we'll also compare the advantages of new semiconductors to their traditional counterparts. From energy efficiency to performance enhancements, we'll scrutinize how these innovative materials outshine conventional silicon, paving the way for a new era in semiconductor technology. Lastly, we will ponder the future of computer engineers in light of these advancements. As the landscape evolves, we'll explore the opportunities and challenges that lie ahead for those at the forefront of semiconductor technology. What does this mean for the skill sets, innovations, and career trajectories of computer engineers in the ever-evolving world of advanced semiconductors? Join me on this reflective journey as we unravel the intricate tapestry of new semiconductor technologies and their far-reaching implications on the development of sophisticated computers, the automotive industry, and the future of computer engineering. The introduction of silicon carbide-based power electronics as detailed in the video holds significant implications for the development of more sophisticated computers. The unique properties of silicon carbide, including its super wide bandgap and exceptional heat conductivity, paved the way for transistors to operate at higher voltages, frequencies, and temperatures. This positions SiC as a key player in applications requiring advanced computing capabilities, potentially leading to the development of more powerful and efficient computers. Moving to the impact on electric vehicles and automation, the disruptive nature of silicon carbide-based devices in power electronics is highlighted. The wider bandgap of SiC allows it to operate at significantly higher temperatures, voltages, and switching frequencies compared to traditional silicon. This transformative quality makes SiC a game changer in the EV industry, improving battery efficiencies and enhancing overall performance. The shift from silicon-based devices to SiC contributes to overcoming limitations related to higher voltages, frequencies, and cooling capabilities, thereby revolutionizing the EV and automation sectors. Despite the challenges outlined regarding the production of silicon carbide transistors, advancement in techniques such as physical vapor transportation method indicate a promising trajectory. The commercialization of SiC-based power devices including a Schottky diode by Infineon and a metal oxide semiconductor field effect transistor by Cree demonstrate a growing market. The decreasing cost gap between silicon carbide devices and traditional silicon devices with up to 20 cost reductions for SiC MOSFETs is a significant factor in facilitating their widespread adoption. This points towards a bright future for practical silicon carbide manufacturing, not only in the realm of power electronics, but also extending its impact to industries like solar energy. The advantages of new semiconductors, particularly silicon carbide and gallium nitride over traditional silicon, unfold as a promising narrative in the video. The speaker underscores the crucial role of semiconductors in today's technology, emphasizing their unique property as the intermediate link between insulators and conductors. the shift to silicon carbide and gallium nitride as next-generation semiconductors brings notable benefits, including higher energy efficiency and low energy consumption. These advantages position them as ideal choices for power-saving practices, offering a significant leap forward from traditional silicon-based semiconductors. Looking ahead to the future of computer engineers, the video unveils the potential of the wide bandgap semiconductors like silicon carbide and gallium nitride. These materials, with their superior characteristics, are anticipated to play a pivotal role in the burgeoning market driven by green technologies, electric vehicles, and renewable energy. Silicon carbide in particular emerges as a standout with its suitability for high temperature, high voltage, and high frequency applications. Its widespread adoption in electric vehicles due to its efficiency in improving battery performance heralds a transformative era for computer engineers. However, challenges are acknowledged where the speaker delves into the significance of yield in the semiconductor industry. Despite the potential of silicon carbide and gallium nitride to become main base materials for semiconductors, there are obstacles, including the high capital expenditure required for innovation and the substantial go-to-market costs for these chips. The complexity of the manufacturing process, especially for gallium nitride, might pose hindrances to its widespread adoption. As we conclude this exploration into the dynamic world of new semiconductor technologies, we've delved into the profound impact they wield on our technological future. From shaping more sophisticated computers to revolutionizing electric vehicles and automation, these innovations signify a transformative era. As we reflect on the advantages these new semiconductors bring in comparison to traditional counterparts and consider the implications for computer engineers, we are encouraged to stay engaged with the ever-evolving landscape of technology. Again, this is Marky C. Reyes from BSCPE 41. Thank you.